How to book Grab car with cash. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to book Grab car with cash. First of all, open up the Grab app on your mobile device. Once you get into its app, tap on this location. Because if the location isn't clear, you won't be able to book a Grab. Then, tap on the cars option from the top of home pages. To book a Grab with cash, you need to select your pickup location. So simply tap on Where to and select your location to where you want to book your Grab for. After selecting your destination location, tap on the cash icon. Then, you will select the cash option from the payment method. From here, you can choose the cash method and book your Grab with cash. After that, tap to book your Grab. Also, check out our video on how to book a Grab car in advance. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.